Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Sciencepect channel. Today, we're diving into WhatsApp's absolute game changer. Until now, WhatsApp always needed a phone number. It led to clutter and, frankly, privacy concerns. But now, a revolutionary step. WhatsApp is bringing you unique usernames. Message without sharing your number. Your privacy is now 100% secure. No more saving numbers. Connect instantly. Communication just got incredibly simple. Expand your network. Connect instantly with new people. Hassle-free. Simply create your unique username in Settings, then search to find anyone. WhatsApp is transforming communication with privacy at its core. It's set to revolutionize the future. What are your thoughts? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time.